Choice number 1 first. Oh, by the way, well, let me ask you, you've had a couple of minutes to work on this problem. What is the best deal?
2.
Number 2, if you work, how many days? 14. So, let's see, for choice number 1, I'll do a chart. Day number and pay. So day number 1, you get $20. Day number 2, we get 20 plus 20 is 40. Day number 3, we get 60. Day number 4, we get 80. Day number 5, 100. Day number, I'll write 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so I got my days there. And so the pay, day 6 would be 120. Day 7 is 140. Day 8 is 160, 9 is 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280. What about day in? What could you say for day in? 20? In times 20. Or 20 times in. If I write it that way, day in is 20 times in. This is the closed form. Which means, I could look at this and say, what about day 52? 20 times 52. I don't have to figure out day 51 to get that. And for that, I don't have to figure out day 50. This is the closed form. If I look at it like this, plus 20, plus 20, plus 20. So if I said, well, day 5 was 100, so day 6 was 120, and I get that by adding 20, that's the recursive routine, recursive form. Use the previous term to get the next term. But here's my chart for the best deal for number 1. Now look, be careful, because I'm about to lay a trap here, and some of you are going to fall in it. Okay, I got day number 1. Here's day number 2. Not day 2. Here's deal 2. We got deal 1. Here's deal number 2. So we got day number and the pay. So day number 1, I got $1. Day number 2, I got $2. At that point, the pay might look like it matches the day number, but that's not true, right? Day number 3, I get $4. Like, oh wait, something happened there. Day number 4, I would get what? 8. Then I'm thinking of myself as a student in your class. If you're looking at patterns, I think I got the pattern now. Trying to put myself in the position of a student here. Day number 5 would be 16. Day number 6 is 32. Day number 7 is 64. So if I'm looking at deal 1 versus deal number 2, I'm thinking deal number 1 is better, but day 8's 128 on deal number 2. Day 9 is what? 256. That might get my attention. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What's day number 10? 5, 12, 1024. What's day number 12? 2048. Day number 13? 4096. And day 14? There, okay. Now, as far as what's happening here, it's not adding anything, but it's what? Multiply by 2 times 2 times 2. I wrote the word times because if I write the word, the times symbol of x, it could look like the variable x. So I just went ahead and I wrote times in this case. Times 2. This, for day n, let's see. I didn't write out my terms. We did this earlier in the semester, though. Start with the amount for day 1, which was $1, times 2. Is it 2 to the n? 2 to the n minus 1 for the amount for day n. There's my closed form.